Now you've had the opportunity of having a quick look around, why not come and see it for yourself? It really has so much to offer. You've got the stream just outside that you can hear, which is a really pleasant sound and makes the charm of this apartment even more beautiful. On top of that, you've got a garage, parking and a barn, and you can walk into the village. Give me a call today to book your viewing on 01271 812 263. I look forward to meeting you.